cure heart diseases naturally without surgery. Heart is the important organ of our body. This organ is tough but fragile. Therefore, it is needed to protect a healthy heart. The heart plays the important role in supplying the blood throughout the body in order to keep the function of tissues and organs work well. When heart condition becomes worse, it may make you worry. However, there are many ways on how to cure heart diseases without surgery naturally in order to reverse heart trouble successfully. First, exercise. Many exercises work for arteries. The possible reason may be that exercises will remove the irritating materials that blocks the arteries. In order to cure the heart problem, you should do exercises for 30 minutes a day. You don't have to do all the exercises at once. However, it is better to sweat. You can improve your health by taking part in your daily physical activities. For example, walk more, park the cars far away from entrance, and play around with children. Second, meditation and yoga exercises. Doing meditating exercises, you will change your arteries. As a result, you make your heart healthy. All you need to do is meditate 1 hour daily or engaging in yoga practice. Yoga and meditation are the effective ways on how to cure heart disease because it reduces the stress and the tension. Third, the need for a healthy diet. The bad diet may be the worst habit for people with the heart disease. It will worsen the symptoms and lead to heart attack. Therefore, as the tip on how to cure heart disease without surgery, you should avoid fat and bad diet. It is recommended to eat 15 to 20% protein and 10% fat. Your body and your heart will gradually recover by simply changing your diet and avoiding factors that causes heart problems. You should consume more healthy foods, which are rich in protective and preventive nutrients. Fourth, bran. It is the natural food which keeps your cholesterol level under control. Other fibers food which can help you treat heart disease include barley, whole grains, oats, and beans. Fifth, olive oil. Olive oil is recommended for people who want to treat disease naturally because it is a monounsaturated food. According to American Dietetic Association, trying olive oil instead of other vegetable oil will help to boost the heart health.
Thanks for watching.